How to send PDF files on Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a Messenger quick tutorial on how to send PDF files from your Messenger. So let's get started. Messenger works with Facebook, and if you are using Messenger, then you might have to send a PDF file. So let's say that we have this person right here and I want to send a PDF file. So it's really easy to do. You can do this on your mobile phone as well or on your PC. So I just have to type in a message here, and you can see the option of more action, attach a file, choose a sticker or a GIF. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this option which says attach a file. So this option is available and it will allow me to select a video, an image or a PDF file. So I'm just going to go to my computer. Okay, so you can see this is a PDF file that I have selected. I'm gonna open this one up, and there you go. This is a PDF file, and I'll just hit send, and this PDF file will be sent to them. You can see it has been sent, and they can just open it up on Messenger. So this is how you can send a PDF file. Just open up the chat and just click on this attach file option, and you can send PDF files. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.